If you want to cut your laundry costs by £100 a year, here's how to do it. Now, you might be used to washing at 40 degrees, but our tests have found that modern washing machines are actually pretty effective at removing stains on a 20 or 30 degree programme.
To give your clothes the best chance of coming out spotless, use liquid detergent instead of powder and treat stains before they go in.
If fluff builds up in your tumble dryer, it has to work a lot harder, which increases your energy bill.
If you have a heat pump model, you can keep it free from fluff by regularly cleaning your filter. Remove the worst of it, run it under a cold tap, and leave it to dry before popping it back in. Easy. It's best to wait until you have enough dirty laundry for one full load, rather than running smaller loads on quick cycles. Although time-saving programs do tend to use less energy, it's still more economical to do big loads on regular cycles. What's more, your detergent will last longer as well.
The biggest cost saving you can make is to use the right detergent. We found really great detergents that only cost 7p per wash, compared with more expensive brands that cost 31p. Based on 4 washes a week, this would save you almost £50 a year.
We can't give away this info for free, but if you sign up to Which, you'll get access to it, as well as all our other test results.
Thanks for watching. For more money-saving tips, you can sign up to our newsletter. Click the video below to find an easy hack for sharpening your vegetable peeler, and for more content like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.